Hello, it's Jay here again. Welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to fix the problem of the actual impacts not working due to the changes we made in the previous videos. And we also have a bug now, because on my models I've got the low kick and high kick on the same leg. We actually have a conflict when it comes to the sphere collider. We're going to fix that also. So we'll start with actually the punch left and the punch right scripts, just because they are the easiest. So here we go. Opponent head hit dot tag, and obviously we need to change this to the opponent head hit because we changed the naming conventions in the previous video. So let's just go ahead and change that in the comments as well. Player punch right will do the same thing. And we'll also change this in the comments also. We'll come now to the two kick scripts. Now, obviously we need to do the same thing to begin with. Just add the word opponent to change that naming convention to opponent body hit. And what we're going to do is we're going to enable and disable the opposing kick script. So in order to do that, we'll come to the void update and these two if statements here. And what we're going to do is just come after the close bracket where it says true, close brackets. We're going to open and close brackets again, because now we're going to need more than the one previous line of code that followed. Let's just paste that in. So paste it in. So this was the only line we had to begin with. Let's just paste that back into these in between these closed brackets now. But now we need another line. I'll put this at the beginning. We're going to use game object with the lowercase g. We're going to use dot get component in children. We're going to open and close brackets. Inside the brackets, we're going to say player, and we want the opposing script. So in this case, it's player high kick. Come to the end of the line, we'll open and close brackets again, dot enabled, and that needs to be equal to false. So let's just break this up for commenting. So let's say, yeah, retrieve from current game object. Let's say the player high kick script and disable. So now we need to do it for the next if block. So let's just tidy everything up. And now we'll do the very same. We'll just copy and paste that in. And let's have a look. We want true. And that is all we need to do. So let's just save that off there. So now we'll come to the high kick. Obviously it's the same principle, so we'll just change to opponent head hit in the on trigger stay function. So let's just paste that into the comments, and again it's these two if brackets we are going to change. So we'll put another set of brackets in on both if blocks. We'll just move this comment back to where it should be. So let's just come here, let's paste that in. Okay, with those in place now, let's come to the low kick. We'll copy where we disabled. So let's just go. Obviously this time it's not the high kick we want to disable, we want to disable the low kick. And we'll also do the same here for the next if block. And we'll just change it to low kick as well. And we'll just hit save all there. So now we're disabling and enabling the opposing scripts as applicable. This should stop any conflicts from occurring. Now obviously we need to do the same thing for the opponent script, so let's just quickly open those up. So there's the low kick script, high kick, and we'll just quickly go through. So we'll start with the punch right, and again it's just changed to player head hit now. Opponent punch left. Sorry, that should be player head hit. Again, remembering to tidy up and change the comments. So that's both the actual punch scripts done. And we also need to do for the opponent low kick. Having a look at this, we could actually do with getting some more code in place, looking at this. So I think we'll actually leave it here for now. We'll pick this up in the very next video. I think that will be the best thing to do. We'll fix the opponent kicks then, and then we can actually test the new scripts out and see how everything is working. But we'll leave it here for this lesson. We've done all the easy things, and we'll pick this up in the very next video. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.